Hi everyone, welcome to TechCater. Today I'm gonna show you a new flow of authentication. It combines between social media and email login and registration. So let's try it out. Let me give you a brief view of the social media and email login. Okay, so we do have Google and phone authentication together with email login and everything in one place. So if user is not an existing user, they can sign up and it will show a form where you can register. And if user does have an account, they can just sign in using an email and password. And if they forgot it, they can just click forgot password and then enter the email and then reset it. Okay, that's simple. Everything in one place. So now I'm gonna show you how to get this one activated. Make sure that you have everything ready, especially the Pro plugin updated to the latest version. Okay, there are a few ways that you can achieve that authentication flow. The first thing is you can create a new authentication page. Okay, let me name it auth, for example, and then I'm gonna add a shortcode. Okay, this shortcode will be Firebase auth. This is a new one, and for the redirect, I can let me see. Okay, let's redirect to the home page after user register or login, and then I need to have email confirmation. So send email confirmation equal true. Okay, and then after that I'm gonna publish. After I publish, there should be a page name auth. Okay. So after I publish, and you will have a page ready for authentication. So you have an option to add more social media if you want to, and you can do it by go to the dashboard. So under the auth tab in the Firebase Pro plugin, you have option to enable different kind of authentication. For example, I can add like Facebook, for example, and then I'm gonna save it. After that, I can refresh, and I have Facebook authentication enabled in the social login section. I can test with this one. For example, this one. Okay, let's try this one out. So after I sign in, it log into the Firebase, and then direct me to the home page, which is pretty good. So that is the process, the first one that you can activate this social media login. Okay, and the second method is if you have a WooCommerce extension and you check for social login on checkout. So this will be available in the version 2.8.0. Okay, so make sure that you have everything updated. So by checking this option, it means that when you go to checkout page or when users go to checkout page, it will replace the default login of WooCommerce by this social media login. And you can check it by go to the WooCommerce settings and under account privacies. So you can like allow your customer to place order without an account, totally fine. And you can allow your customer to log in into an existing account during checkout. So if you check this one, it will show the normal authentication of WooCommerce. And when you enable the social login on checkout, it will use the social login. So for example, if I buy something, for example, I add to cart, I view cart, and then I go to checkout, you see that the social media login is enabled and ready. So in this place, user can either log in, sign up using their email or social media to increase conversion. If you allow user to purchase without register an account, they just can continue to pay and done. Otherwise, they can register an account here. And this version is the first one I released for the new flow of social media login and email login. So if you have any like requests or modification or any kind of customization that you want, please send me a message or send me an email or just comment in the video below. I can help you to make it work. So that's everything for the video today. Then see you in the next video. And remember to subscribe and like. Bye.